Dito po sa studio ang General Manager at Chief Executive Officer ng Philippine Retirement Authority. Wala iba kasi Ginoong Roberto Bob Zozobrado. Sir Bob, good morning at welcome po dito sa programang Pulso ng Bayan. Jane at Admar po yung mga kasama.
Good morning, may buntag kaninyong tanan.
Opo. Sir Bob, unang-una sa lahat, para sa kaalaman na rin ng ating mga kababayan, ano ho ba ang Philippine Retirement Authority at ano yung mga pangunahing tungkulin po nito?
Philippine Retirement Authority was established by the government to promote the Philippines as a retirement haven for foreign nationals. And I think we're doing a great job because recently we just were awarded, ang Pilipinas was awarded by an agency in London na Expatriate Index, Expatriate Retirement Index. We were awarded as the #1 retirement destination in the world. And this follows an award na natanggap namin last year from Tripzilla na Best Retirement Destination in Asia. So we've conquered Asia, we've conquered the world.
Wow.
The next is we're going to conquer the universe.
Wow. Ayos. Pero yung pangunahing tungkulin po nito, ano bang papel talaga ng Philippine Retirement Authority? Kayo ho ba ay ano bang binibigay na serbisyo?
Well, when we invite retirees, mga foreigners dito sa atin, we make them, we require them visa deposit. In fact, I think the basic reason why PRA was established is to help increase the foreign currency reserve sa bansa natin. And that we are doing now because we have quite a lot of foreign exchange deposited in our banks. But the nice thing about this, yung mga visa deposit na nire-require namin from the retirees, they're placed under the name of the retiree. So anytime mag-cancel sila sa retirement visa nila, they can get it back, including the interest that it earns.
Oh, so kayo yung nagbibigay ng visa. Tinatawag po itong Special Resident Retirees Visa o SRRV.
SRRV.
Opo, oo. At ang mga kabenepisyo po nito, baga, ay mga dayuhan lamang. At ang pangunahing layunin natin, bakit yung mga dayuhan ang target market natin?
Well, because first of all, as I said, we want to increase our foreign currency reserves. And besides, we want more people to know how beautiful the Philippines is by offering them a beautiful home here in our country.
Opo. So far naman, this year, bate po sa inyong assessment, nagkaroon ho ba tayo ng increase sa aplikante po?
We are very happy na so far, ang year-to-date figures natin sa PRA, we are registering a 54% increase over the same period last year. So it's very encouraging, and we are going to surpass our target for this year.
Opo, bakit pinipili po ng mga retirees na dito sa Pilipinas? Ang manluluyan, manirahan?
Well, dito sa Pilipinas, the most common destination nila is the Metro Manila area. And then the second would be the Central Visayas, basically Cebu, at saka Dumaguete. And then the third would be Central Luzon.
Opo. Ano yung pinakagusto nila dito sa Pilipinas, sir? Kung inyo pong monitor, bakit pag-retire nila dito sila gustong manirahan? Parang dito na sila for good na dito sa Pilipinas.
For good na talaga. Ang pinakagusto nila dito, yung mga tao natin.
Ayun.
Yung mga kababayan natin. In fact, I make it a point na pag na-approve na yung visa nila, I get a chance to talk with them. Tinatanong ko sila, what's the reason why you chose the Philippines over the others? #1 reason palagi nila is, I like your people. Wow. Your welcoming attitude ng mga tao natin. So, I have to thank our kababayans, stay the way you are because that's what they love about the Philippines.
Opo.
Actually, mensahe ko sa mga kababayan natin, stay the way you are because this is what the retirees love about the Philippines. Yung welcoming attitude ng mga Pilipino. The fact that we are very hospitable, yun ang gusto talaga nila. And for the foreign retirees, we just want you to know that the Philippines will always be the best home you can ever find in any other part of the world.
Ayun, mga kababayan, maraming salamat Sir Bob sa inyo pong oras at sa pagbibigay po niyo ng impormasyon ngayong umaga.
Salamat.
Ayan po mga kababayan, si Ginoong Roberto Bob Zozobrado, ang General Manager at Chief Executive Officer po ng Philippine Retirement Authority ang ating nakasama na pakinggan po ngayong umaga. Samantala, break lang muna tayo. Magbabalik po ang Pulso ng Bayan.